Today we have a lot of animals. Let's learn their names one by one. Are you ready, kids? Let's start. The first one is a lion. This is a lion. A lion is the king of forest. A rhinoceros. This is a rhinoceros.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had
A rhino.
E-I-E-I-O.
The next one is a panda. This is a panda.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
The next one is giraffe.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog.
This is elephant.